As we head into the weekend, we are looking for the sun to go away, the clouds to return, maybe a few breaks Saturday morning, but clouds will be increasing quickly throughout the day. Hey, at least it's dry for our Providence St. Patrick's Day Parade. 44 degrees at around noontime. That's when the festivities get underway up on Smith Street. Should be a fun event there. But then rain on the way. What else is new? Back tomorrow night into early Sunday morning, we are generally going to pick up about an inch of rain. The numbers have trended a little bit higher, but more or less it's been about the same here. It's a fairly fast-moving storm. That's the saving grace here. Otherwise, we could expect a lot more rain. High pressure. This is what gave us a nice day today. It certainly was, but I equated this last night to the train pulling in and just leaving the station. Didn't want to stick around. Here come the clouds. Pretty overcast throughout the day tomorrow. Again, maybe a few faded breaks tomorrow morning. Now, the rain is also sped up in time. Again, it's a pretty progressive storm, but the timing now brings this in here, especially in the Ocean State, by about 6:30, 7 o'clock tomorrow. So if you have dinner plans, anything else, you want to have that wet weather gear for you if you're going to be out anytime after that. As the rain will pick up, but you have a few hours of generally moderate rain before the heavy stuff gets here. This will mostly be when probably most of us are asleep, well after midnight at this point. Look at this, downpours, colors there, yellows and oranges and reds, all equating on our key here to very heavy rainfall. It's out of here by Sunday morning. And Sunday's actually not looking like a terrible day. There could also be some breaks of sun on Sunday, but we also can't rule out a couple of wraparound sprinkles here. Now, if you follow these sprinkles further north and west, what do they become? They don't become rain. They aren't rain. They become snow showers here. And that's just to show you, here's our low here. Got all that cold air wrapping back in behind it. It's also going to be quite blustery through the day on Sunday and even into Monday. Not out of the question here. Maybe late Sunday into early Monday, and a couple of these snow showers could sneak down, but of course, no accumulation or anything like that. There will be improving weather beyond that, as you'll see in a moment in the 7-day. First, we also want to talk about here the coastal flood risk for Sunday morning. We've got new moon, number one. Number two, a driving south wind out ahead with that storm system. It eventually becomes a west wind later in the day, but the morning high tides here. So the afternoon high tides, likely we will not see any minor flooding, but minor is the key word here. Does not look like it's going to be moderate at this point. I would think at some point over the weekend this would become a coastal flood advisory, but there's an outside chance it could get upgraded to a warning if the forecast trends in the wrong direction with those tidal cycles. All right, your daylight saving time forecast, sunrise and sunsets. Take a look at the difference between Saturday and Sunday here. Look at sunset Sunday, 6:47, although there's a good chance we're not going to see a great one. Again, maybe some peaks of sun, but maybe waiting until Monday or Tuesday. Either way, that's a pretty nice thing. 30 degrees tonight, increasing clouds. Chilly. We're close to 30 already. The temperatures sort of flatline again as the clouds arrive. 45 tomorrow, mostly cloudy. That rain arriving by the evening. Here's a 7-day and much, that's three muches, brighter as we get from Monday through the end of the upcoming work week. And notice the gradual warming trend as well. Temperatures through the 50s by midweek and close to 60 as we head towards Friday.